Okay, real talk. How many times have you opened up a video about how to invest or budget like a pro? And within the first 5 seconds of opening the video, they're throwing words at you like compound annual growth rate. Like, we all just know what that means. Okay, me, I was born in 2003. I just got here. So yeah, me too. I used to give up right then and there. But here's the thing. Money isn't supposed to be scary. It's just something that no one really explains right. So that's what Coinversations is. Real talk about money the way you'd actually explain it to your friends, or while sitting under a tree. Because you don't need a suit, you don't need a fancy degree, and you don't need a finance bro to learn this stuff. You just need someone who remembers how confusing it felt at the start. So, first conversation. Why does learning about money feel so intimidating? And how to unlearn that fear? You ever notice how water always finds a way around rocks? That's kind of how money works. It's just a flow. We just need to learn how to direct it instead of letting it leak. If you want to learn money in a way that actually makes sense, hi, I'm Nia. Welcome to Coinversations. Let's talk coins. This is not your typical finance channel. I don't have a fancy setup. I don't have a suit. And I'm definitely not trying to sell you a $10,000 course. But what I do have is curiosity, a credit card, and an unshakable need to figure out how money works. See, money isn't this elite, mysterious thing. It's just a system, one that we were never really taught. And I'll explain in a later video how that is purposeful. Most people my age, they give up trying to understand it because the people teaching it sound like robots or Wall Street traders. You just need to max your Roth IRA, diversify your ETF portfolio, and optimize your capital gain. I just wanted to know why my card keeps declining. So that's what Coinversations is. Real talk about money. No suits, no shame, just sense. My goal with this channel? To make finance make sense. We'll talk about debt, saving, investing, retirement, even the scary stuff like taxes and insurance. But in a way that feels like a conversation, not a calculus class. I want this to be a safe place for people who are never taught how money works, but are ready to learn. Because the truth is, it's expensive not to know. And once you do know, you unlock freedom that most people will never get. So, if that's your vibe, hit subscribe. That rhymes. And join the conversation. The Coinversation. Heads.